Hi, I'm Kite with AS Photography, and I'm here to talk about how to use a lens hood on a camera. Now, the reasons for using a lens hood would be, let's say you're outdoors and there's a lot of sun, and the sun is anywhere. If you're shooting towards the sun that's in front of you over here, say like that, camera's pointing this way. Anytime that the sun passes in front of the lens, you're going to get a reflection of the sun into the lens, and it's going to cause a lens flare, and it's going to turn your pictures. And I mean, unless you're looking for that look, but normally you're not looking for that look. So to combat that, you get a lens hood to combat the lens flare problem. And the lens hood, it needs to be long enough to go out far enough to when the sun goes out past a certain point, it blocks the sun. Now, of course, you can't put a lens hood to block sun directly coming into the lens, but you probably shouldn't be shooting directly into the sun anyway. So here's an example of a lens hood. This is a 80 to 400, it's a zoom lens, and this is the lens hood. It stores on the camera like that. You take it off, and it just twists right on, and you can hear it pop when it gets into position. Of course, you want to remove the lens cap on there. But as you see, it just stays on the front of the lens there, and so as the sun goes around like this, it's going to block the sun from coming into it at any point along that line there. And that is how you use a lens hood. Put it back in storage and then put it back into your case.